Hi everyone. So we have a good question from the chapter of trigonometry, or rather from the chapter of theory of equations. And so we have been given an equation x square plus 5 by 2. I'm sorry, x square plus 5 divided by 2 equal to x minus 2 cos m plus nx. Okay. And it has at least one real root, and we have to find the possible values of x, and we have to find the value of m plus n. Okay. So let's begin. So let us first simplify this equation which has been given to us. X square plus 5 divided by 2 is equal to x minus 2 cos m plus nx, right? So let's separate the algebraic part to one side. Plus 5 minus 2x, this is equal to minus 2 cos, or not minus 2 actually, minus 4 cos m plus nx, right? This is the equation which we have. So let us now plot both the graphs. Okay, so this graph over here, it's a quadratic, right? So the minimum value of x will be minus b by 2a, or rather not minimum value of x, the value of x for which y becomes minimum, that will be minus b by 2a, which is equal to 1. Okay, that is equal to 1. So now let us plot the two graphs. Okay. So I have shifted the origin. Let this origin be 1 comma 0. Okay. The graph is something like this. Now, what is the minimum value of y for this particular graph? We can also find that. Uh, let me tell you what the value is. I'll just make a small calculation here. Yeah. So the minimum value is at 4. Okay. It's at 0 comma 4. Okay. And we have now a cos equation which we have to plot. The cos equation will look, sorry, the graph disappeared. I'm so sorry. So the graph, it's a cos graph, right? It can be anything because it has a phase difference, right? Anyways, and we will be having a graph like this. Okay. So as you can see, depending on the value of m and n, it will have only one solution, right? The only solution it will have is 1. So the number of possible values of x, well, it is 1. Okay. It can only be 1. Why? Because it will have only one solution. And again, if we consider m and n to be constants, it can be any constant. There will only be one value of x. Okay. There will only be one value of x for which these two equations satisfy. And we have to find the value of m plus n. So let's do one thing. Let's equate the minimum value of this quadratic with this cos equation. Okay, because that's how we will be able to find what m and n is. So plus 4 will be equal to minus 4 cos m plus nx. So upon cancelling this, we will find that m plus nx is equal to 2n pi plus minus pi. Okay. And upon taking pi common, we will get 2n plus minus 1. So yeah, that's it. The value of m plus n, I mean, you can find the value of m plus n. It's equal to 2n plus 1 into pi. Okay. Thank you.